Yay, 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 we get to do proofs. So when you have two triangles that are congruent, then you know that all parts of those two triangles are congruent by CPCTC. Now that stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So if you have two triangles, the parts that correspond to each other will be congruent if the triangles are congruent. So first what we have to do is we're going to have to prove the triangle's congruent. Now we can use any of the methods that we've talked about before. Once you prove them congruent, then you'll be able to prove the parts congruent that they're asking for. So let's see what we have here. So we have RS. Here, let's just mark really quick so we can see what we have. So RS is congruent to TU. Let's see, RS and TU are congruent. ST and UR, sweet. So we know that TR will be congruent to itself. So these two triangles will be congruent by SSS, all three sides. So we can send these to the proof. We're going to go ahead and say TR. Let me see, we better do the right order. So RT is congruent to TR. I like doing it in the right order. And that is reflexive. So then we're going to go ahead and say the two triangles are congruent. Now I'm going to do this in the order they have here for the triangle. So RST is congruent to triangle TUR. And that is by SSS. So we showed all three sides congruent. And then we're going to go ahead and say, okay, well, the two angles will be congruent. And this will be CPCTC. I love that. CPCTC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Oh, wait, I don't have to validate it? Wait, maybe I do. Yeah. Usually you have to validate it before you can check. Okay, we are going to do another one. Oh, these are so fun. Oh, they only let me do two. That's not fair. Okay, so we're going to mark here what they give us. So QR is congruent to SR. So where's QR and SR? Angle QPR is congruent to angle STR. Okay, we're going to be able to show these two by vertical angles. So this is two angles and a side not included. So angle, side. So we're going to start by proving the two triangles congruent by angle, side. So we'll send these to the proof. We have to add that those two angles. Again, we want to get the right order. So angle QRP. Here's how I'm doing it. I'm looking here at this angle, and I know I want R to be in the middle. So I did first, third, second. This is going to be SRT. So we just have to do it in the same order. This is just vertical angles property. So then we're at the two triangles. So I'm just going to name them this way. QRP, what I did before. It's congruent to triangle SRT. And this is by, what did we say? Angle, side. Angle, side. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and do this. These two sides are going to have to be congruent by the CPCTC. I love saying that. CPTCT. Try to say it fast. CPCTC. 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 Not too bad. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.